are you?
Good. So you pick me up from work?
Yeah, let's make a vlog
Nice.
today because I didn't make anything today yet. Yeah.
Okay.
Are you Chapek? Are you tired?
No, let's go.
Let's go. Yo,
What's up? So today Damian picked me up from work.
Yeah, today also was very like not the best weather because it was super rainy. Actually, at morning was super hot, then it was super rainy, like a big rain, a lot of flood around, and now it's sunny again. So we decided maybe we will go to having a dinner somewhere on the beach, maybe Jimbaran fish market or any restaurant or something. Also, we have to shopping a little bit today, so just another day in Bali. Alright, some kids
Alright,
already.
some kids are here. I just wanna
Waving.
feed him. Halo, apa kabar? Nggak sekolah? Sekolah. Kakak bisa beli apa? Masker. Berapa? Oke. Nah, ini aja. Makasih ya. So he sell me 2K for this mask, but yeah, I just give him more. I asked him, "Are you school?" I'm school. Okay.
Okay.
So cute.
Alright, just arrived to the market. It's actually nice weather now, but it's not so busy actually. Oh, kids running around.
So we will go to fish market today, and Damian crafting for the.
I wanna have a red snapper. Always nice,
Yeah.
fresh here. You know how is it, guys? I will show you a little bit around. Yes, honey. Hello, how are you? Very good, yeah. Very nice corn, peanut. Very nice. Good luck. So that's how it looks. So actually long time we wasn't here. I mean past months we was on the beach area. Previously, if you're watching us already longer time, you know as we was in this market many times, but was actually busier than it's today. I don't know why it's not so busy today. Maybe because it's weekday, yes honey? Okay, we will see how's the situation inside the market. That's how it looks, the fish market in Jimbaran, by the way, if you are coming to the channel and you don't know much about Bali. Very nice place for having a fish. So many nice fishes everywhere around, as you can see. Nice. Check this out, red snappers everywhere around. So nice. So big. Ah! So that's how it looks, the situation. Everywhere there are fishes. This kind of fish, this kind of fish, this kind of fish. Many kind of fish actually. And people, workers playing on the phones. Nowadays society. Hello boss, how are you? Red snapper, very nice. Very nice. Oh, this one is very nice, blue. Very nice. That's very big, my friend. Thank you, brother. Also here, other kind of seafood. Yes. Oh, that's very nice. Check this out. So much goodies. This. So many. Check this out, this boy, what he's doing. All is fresh. The music from the bike. People playing church. So nice. This is very local Jimbaran life. Everywhere. This is more local. I mean, this is already like other part of the market. They have many cool stuff over here, as you can see. Oh. That's how it looks over here. Wow, what is this? This is super cool. Very nice. Okay. That's how it looks. Small fishes, big fishes, fresh fishes. Also here, sun-dried fishes. I don't know if they are good for eating. Honey, do you think they are good for eating?
Yeah, it's called ikan.
Sun-dried.
Sun-dried.
Yeah, very nice. And also over here, as you can see, so many boats and so many people there. Also fishing is still very strong light, so I'm not sure if you can see properly, but that's how it is. Okay, honey, let's have grill this fish. Yes, honey? Kids nowadays. When I was small kid, I play football or something, but now kids playing on the phones. Sunglasses. You can buy also everything elsewhere over here. So also there is the village. It's everywhere around actually. There is the market and there is some restaurants, so you can grill it. Also here, everywhere. But we need today wanna try something different. Not sure actually where, but yeah. And this is our jeepney, of course. Yes, honey. So where we are going to grill this lovely fish, honey?
Let's go to maybe one restaurant because I saw that the place where we used to grill,
It's full house.
Full house. So don't have any empty seat.
And also so many Russian folks. I'm not Russian, but I have nothing to Russian brothers, but yeah, very loud.
Yeah, I just want to have a chill place to enjoy sunset.
Yeah, we need have a headache after working, you know.
Hello.
Yo, what's up, brother?
20.
Rasa bakar 20,000 kilo.
Plus sambal.
Plus sambal. Sambal very important. So he will grill our fish. How heavy is this? 1 kilo. Oh my god, so nice.
Garlic.
Bakar, and this is how it looks, the area where they bakar the fishes, as you can see. Yo, what's up, brother? Oh my god, so busy actually. So many. Check this out, lovely. Ooh.
Yes, Mr. Gangyang.
Yes. Hey, how do you know my name already? You told him my name, yeah? Oh my god. Okay, beautiful. When you wanna have a chill, this is the place. You can sit inside. If it's rainy, yo, what's up?
Yeah. Hello, bro. What's up?
But it's very nice weather. We will sit outside today. Wow, it's actually some people over here even. Beautiful waves. This is the group. Where are we gonna sit, honey? So basically that's how it looks, the situation. Sayang sitting here. Bad headache today, yeah. Honey have a bad headache. And this is like one restaurant open just after market. Actually some people. It's even bigger group today, have to say. And actually just after here is the market where we bought the fish. Not so bad, very nice. That's how it looks, the situation on the beach. It's actually, after that group here, it's actually very quiet, I have to say. Actually it's getting busier and busier, as you can see, some of the people always coming. Not so bad, actually, very nice. So happy to see the people. Yes, honey?
Wow, I see, like a group of domestic tourists here. I think that they are students, and then there are also some families who are having holidays in Bali. So very nice.
Very nice.
I prefer to sit in this place because of it's like you can still sit with physical distancing. That.
Yeah.
Rather than you sit in the warung, I know it must be, the different sensation, like you got cheaper or something. But actually, if you think that the restaurant is expensive, no, they have the same price as the next door. I will show you.
Yeah, and like a guy said, only 20,000 per kilo for grilling.
20,000 per kilo for grill. And also, look at the price of the drink. Look. Even like the same price like in the warung next door. So we just prefer to have a sit here with the how they cook the fish and everything with the more clean way. And also they really care about health protocols, and it's so good.
Hello.
So 5.000 apa tisunya 5.000. So she offered me to buy tissue. Sekolah nggak? Sekolah di mana? Di Batu Bulan. Iya, jauh sekali. Kelas berapa? Kelas 2. She told me secret too. Jual apa tisu? Tisu basah? Ada tisu basahnya? 15. Okay. This one. So I choose a wet tissue. This one for you. Ya ambil aja. No. This is for you. No. Take it. No.
Very nice.
Just give a tip for you. Oh.
Very nice.
Makasih. See, she's very nice. I give her 20k. The tissue actually cost. She said, "How much is it? 15k." Okay, I just give her 20k. I don't have a susu. No, she said I didn't have any change. Okay, this is for you. She
Very
gave me
nice.
another tissue. I said,
nice.
no, that's a tip for you. So,
If you already
I
got the
bought
tissue,
I clean it.
always good to do. You never know. Check this out, this kalapnya.
Kelapa.
Oh, very nice. Oh, a lot of water inside. So good. I hope so. You will gone. Your headache will gone after that. Yes, honey.
Coconut is really good whenever you got headache, dehydration, something like that.
So as you can see, actually, it's quite busy here. I mean, nobody sit next to us, but on the beach, like I said before, really enjoying her coconut. And I just wanted to say one more time, as I'm only one white person here, so all the local domestic people. But very nice, very happy to see some traffic over here today. Yes, honey? Oh my God, our food arrived. Check this out. Beautiful lady bringing. Oh, it's okay, no problem. That must be heavy, by the way. Check this out.
Oh my God. Okay.
And also nasi. Alright, so our fish arrived. As you can see, it's so nice, so big actually. Honey, today you bought the big fish, yeah, honey?
So I bought 1.5 kilo of red snapper. It cost me around 1 kilo is 50k. So I paid the seller just nice for me. So I just paid 60k.
60k. Check this
So
out.
this one.
But this
And
looks very nice.
Oh, good.
I tried to
Perfect.
rice,
And this
salad,
one, the sayur kangkung, the
sambals.
spinach, sambal mata.
Okay. Check this out. This fish I will try to take little bit by hand, like local. So good, so nice. Smacznego, honey. So as you can see, so many people. Also here is the band. Alright guys, so we are so full after the big fish, actually so nice, really happy with that. Also is the beautiful band after us, actually just stopped playing when we started making a video.
Alright, so I think that's all our video today from Jimbaran Fish Market. So yeah, thank you for watching.
And see you tomorrow another day. See ya, take care.
Bye!
Unfortunately today is not so best sunset, but it's always good to be here, always good to see the ocean and feel the fresh air from the breeze.